Ready to conquer car battery anxiety? Meet the NOCO GBX45 UltraSafe Portable Jump Starter, a compact yet incredibly powerful tool designed to get you back on the road quickly and safely. This isn't just a jump starter. It's a versatile power bank and emergency tool that will give you peace of mind wherever you go. The GBX45 delivers a massive 1250 amps of starting power, effortlessly jumping start most gas engines up to 6.5 liters and diesel engines up to 4.0 liters, and it will get you moving in any situation. Its UltraSafe technology includes spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, ensuring complete safety for both you and your vehicle. The intuitive LED display clearly shows the battery level and charging status, and the boost button allows you to easily jumpstart deeply discharged batteries in seconds. The rugged, durable design is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, and the compact size makes it easy to store in your glove compartment or trunk. It's also a powerful power bank with a USB port to charge your smartphones, tablets, and other devices, so you never have to be without power. With an integrated LED flashlight, it's perfect for nighttime emergencies, providing added safety and convenience. The NOCO GBX45 is not just a jump starter. It's an essential tool that will give you confidence and security on the road. Ready to have the power to get moving whenever needed? Click the link in the description below to explore more and make it yours today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful tech and automotive reviews.